To assemble the Vevor portable welding table, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and wrenches. Locate the 10 beveled holes on the tabletop for the 10 M8 by 15 screws. The side with the bevel is the top. From the bottom of the tabletop, lay out the 2 long and 2 short plates. Connect the plates with the M8 by 15 screws and M8 nuts. Connect the table legs to the plates with 8 M8 by 20 screws and M8 nuts. 2 legs have a group of 3 holes on one end for the handle. Put these 2 legs on one end with the 3 holes by the plates. Attach the support plates for the legs. 2 are roughly 34 5/8 inches long, 1 is 18 7/8 inches long, and 1 has hooks for accessories that will be opposite of the handle. Attach the handle and the front plate. Use M8 by 20 screws and nuts. Attach the casters to the wheel supports using the M8 by 12 screws with a Phillips head and the M8 nuts. Connect the bottom shelf and the 4 wheel supports to the bottom of the table legs. Use the M8 by 20 screws and M8 nuts. Have a helper hold the shelf or use screws to hold it in place temporarily. Check and tighten all the screws and nuts. The feet can be extended or retracted.